Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good afternoon everybody. Before I start my segment, let me introduce myself. My name is Veronika Pato. My student ID number G301-19045. And today I want to renew some journal with the title Preparation and Biosorption Evaluation of Bacillus subtilis alginate-chitosan microcapsule. For the first introduction, pollution caused due to heavy metals has become a serious environmental problem over the past few decades. Final industrial wastewater contains numerous heavy metal ions, which are extremely dangerous even at low concentration due to their toxicity. And second, microcapsule. The microcapsule system had good mechanical strength, flexibility, and biocompatibility between Bacillus subtilis and microcapsule. In addition, internal three-dimensional network structure of the microcapsule provided a sufficient space for Bacillus subtilis grow and good encapsulation stability. Next, microcapsule Bacillus subtilis. The Bacillus subtilis or alginate-chitosan microcapsule was composed of Bacillus subtilis, sodium alginate, chitosan, and calcium chloride. Therefore, in the sterile conditioner, Bacillus subtilis was mixed with sodium alginate solution, and then the mixed solution was dropped into calcium chloride solution to immobilize using microcapsule preparation instrument. Next, Bacillus subtilis. Bacillus subtilis possesses high psychological activity in an industrial waste treatment. The structure of Bacillus subtilis cell wall is well known and consists primarily of peptidoglycan and teichoic acid. The next, uranium. Uranium is an essential radioactive element and a nuclear fuel, but at higher level it is toxic to plants, animals, and humans. Uranium consumption in high doses could produce serious toxicological concerns such as cancer, kidney, and liver injuries. Uranium is widely used in important new industrial applications. Hence, its removal from wastewater is important for environmental protection and human health. The aim of this study was to assess the effect of alginate-chitosan microcapsule on viability characteristics of Bacillus subtilis and the ability of Bacillus subtilis or alginate-chitosan microcapsule to remove uranium ion from aqueous solution. Next, the some methods in observation is number 1, Bacillus subtilis cultivation, preparation of Bacillus subtilis or alginate-chitosan microcapsule, Bacillus subtilis or alginate-chitosan microcapsule cultivation, morphology observation of Bacillus subtilis or alginate-chitosan microcapsule, measurement of cell biomass, configuration of the uranium solution and standard curve measurement, characterization, adsorption experiment, adsorption pH experiment, adsorbent additive amount experiment, temperature experiment, initial concentration of heavy metal ion experiment, time experiment, and the last desorption experiment. The next, the result showed that alginate-chitosan microcapsule significantly improved the viability characteristic of Bacillus subtilis, and that Bacillus subtilis or alginate-chitosan microcapsule strongly promoted uranium ion absorption. Moreover, the optimum values of pH was 6, immobilized spiral dosage was 3.5, temperature was 20 Celsius, initial uranium ion concentration was 150 mg per liter, contact time was 3 hours of uranium ion absorption, and the maximum absorption capacity of uranium ion was 378 for 64 mg per gram. And the last conclusion. The following points can be concluded from this study. Number 1. Bacillus subtilis was effectively encapsulated by alginate-chitosan. Number 2. Uranium ions could be effectively absorbed by Bacillus subtilis or alginate-chitosan microcapsule. Number 3. The pH, immobilized spiral dosage, temperature, initial uranium ion concentration, and contact time highly affect the uranium biosorption. Number 4. Our results showed that the maximum absorption capacity of uranium ion was 376.64 mg per gram, and thus the desorption rate was maintained at 79.4% after 5 cycles. This suggested that the Bacillus subtilis alginate-chitosan microcapsule has great potential as a low-cost uranium. Okay, that's all my review of this journal. Hopefully you can get knowledge from my review, and don't forget to share my video to your friend. Like, comment, and subscribe this video. Thank you and see you on the next video. Bye bye.